Have you ever tried to wear a one-size-fits-all shirt? Could you do it, or was it too big or small for you? I think that most of us could not wear a one-size-fits-all shirt because it would not fit us correctly. The same is true of standardized testing. As a high school student, I can assure you that standardized testing is as bad as the media portrays it. Standardized testing does not benefit anyone because it shows cruelty towards teachers, students, and schools. So, what is standardized testing? Standardized testing is any test that's administered towards a set group of students in order for teachers, schools, or students to be evaluated. Schools with students who score highly on these tests are rewarded with money, and their teachers may even receive a pay raise. However, if the students of the school get low scores, then those schools will be penalized, and the teachers may even be fired or lose pay. Can you see the problem here? We're stressing to students that education is no longer about learning and having fun learning. It is now about just memorizing facts to be able to get a desired score on a test. And this is not what education is supposed to be about. So, since standardized testing is so high stakes, this can cause some bad behaviors to happen in the school, such as cheating. Schools cheat by inflating test scores or making them seem bigger than they actually are. Schools do this in order to save money, since schools with low-scoring students are penalized. Teachers also cheat because most schools evaluate their teachers by how well their students score on standardized tests. So, teachers want to cheat in order to keep their jobs, since low-scoring classes may cause some teachers to lose their jobs. And so, the question remains, why are tests weighted so much that the only way that teachers and schools feel like they can succeed on these tests is by cheating? It's not just teachers and schools who feel the brunt of standardized testing, it's students as well. They feel this through curriculum narrowing. Curriculum narrowing is when some subjects are not taught because they are not on the tests. And this can result in decreased college readiness, which is strange because that's what these standardized tests claim that they prepare students for. In the words of teacher Roy Fox, we talk all the time about making our kids college and career ready, even at such a young age. Let's make them life ready first. So, standardized testing is unfair to students, teachers, and schools. As concerned adults, we must prepare the next generation for adult life. Standardized tests are not helping us with this goal and are actually hurting teachers and schools as well. Therefore, we must stand up for our students. There are a few things that you can do to stand up for your students. You can write an essay if you're gifted with words. For example, in 2013, a retired high school teacher wrote an essay to college professors warning them about students' decreased college readiness because of the standardized tests. This exposed many people to the cruelties of standardized testing and was hotly debated. So if you have a way with words, let your voice be heard. You could also hold a peaceful protest, or you could join the opt-out movement. The opt-out movement is a group of people who do not support standardized testing. All you have to do to join is be willing to take action and speak out about standardized testing. If you are a parent, this means taking your children out of standardized testing. It's easy. All you have to do is write a note to the school asking for your child to be taken out of standardized testing. And if you are just a concerned adult, then you must be willing to speak out to the school boards, hold peaceful protests, and write essays if that's your gift. So, the only way that standardized testing is going to end is if everyone spoke out. Therefore, let's stand up for our students and show the government that standardized testing actually does not fit all students.